Hey people, welcome to Airdropspot. In today's video, we are going to be interacting with Fhenix Testnet. If you want to know about the project overview, you can check the description of this video. We'll just dive right into the tutorial. So to get started, we are going to be claiming Sepolia Ethereum from the faucet. I am going to drop the link to the faucet in the description of this video and comment section as well. And in this particular video, we are going to be testing redact.money on Fhenix Testnet. Test.redact.money. So you're going to connect wallet, EVM wallet. I'll be using my MetaMask. When you connect your wallet, choose network. We have Sepolia, Arbitrum Sepolia, and Base Sepolia. You can make use of any of these ones. Because I claimed Sepolia Ethereum, I'll be using Sepolia. Then I am going to see a request to switch my network to Sepolia. Do that. Then wait for it to finish initializing. Then confirm in wallet as well. So what do we want to do here? We are going to be encrypting our Sepolia Ethereum that we claimed from Faucet. I think Ethereum is the only token that can be encrypted here. No drop down to choose any other token. So I'm going to enter the amount of Ethereum that I would like to encrypt, and I'll click on the encrypt button at the bottom. I'll confirm the transaction in wallet. It takes about a minute and the encryption is done. Now I will switch to the decrypt tab, and then out of the 0.05 Ethereum that I encrypted, I am going to decrypt a part of it back to Sepolia Ethereum. Then I'll click on the decrypt button. I'll confirm in wallet. Our decrypted Ethereum is almost done. Then I'm going to click on claim ETH. I'll again confirm in wallet. And that's it. So we've encrypted our Ethereum, and we've also decrypted a part of our encrypted Ethereum. So another thing you can do on redact.money is to send either your encrypted Ethereum or regular Ethereum to another wallet. To choose which one you want to send, you see those two eye icons. The first one is normal Ethereum, and the second one that is private, that's the confidential one that you have encrypted. So I will be sending the encrypted one. I have switched to the confidential icon. I'll paste the address that I want to send my encrypted Ethereum to, and then I'll enter the amount, then tap on send. I'll confirm the wallet, the transaction in my wallet. The transaction is successful, although it is showing error at the bottom, but you see the success prompt at the top, and then you see that there is a change in my balance. If you go to the receive tab, you simply copy your wallet address. If you are doing this with more than one wallet, then send some Ethereum into your wallet as well. If you go to the history tab, you see a record of all the transactions that you have done so far. And that's all that there is to test on redact.money. We also have another website that we're going to be testing on Fhenix, but then that will be in another video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please give me a like in this video and also subscribe to my channel for more updates on Fhenix Testnet. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.